All right, everyone. I hope you can hear me now. Things went a little south today. I don't know what happened. So let some people join and confirm that they can hear me. Okay. Okay, perfect. Let's go. All right. Sorry, something went wrong this morning. I don't know what happened. And once you end the stream, there is no way to continue the same stream. So I have to start another one, this one. All right. So what we are looking at on S&P 500, we are looking for the awareness Marubazu candle moving forward few days or 1 week to 2 weeks down the line. We'll see a bigger supply coming down. Okay. The first price target will be this one, 200 EMA right here, 584, 585, still intact. This price target market will drop to 585, but not today. We have this dual directional candle right here, another dual directional. Today, we cannot say where the market will go. The next candle, we have to see which side the volume the market will fill, and then the market will continue in that direction. Moving forward to Rivian, we bought it at 1131. We'll hold our position. We are in perfect position here. We have the short put for January 26. We have the short put for January 27. We have collected more money than that we have invested in the market. So we are safe. Longer run, we don't have to worry about our short put, because even let's say the Rivian recover in 3 months down the line, still the short put will go in profit and we are sitting with our money in our hands. Okay. 1130 position will be in profit right away in few days. Okay. The stock will recover. It reported the little wider losses than we were expecting. I was looking for 0.66. They reported 0.79. Little bit of wider loss is all because of the tariff and the Trump policy regarding the EV. Otherwise, the market was good. Okay. So this is the good area to accumulate. This stock generally fluctuate between 1053 to 14 area. So we are very close to the 1053 area, and this area we are good to buy. We are looking for double bottom. We are looking for a recovery right in this here, resistance 1674. Once we break the 1674 all-time high 22 area, okay, but now 22 price target has been has a challenge because of the widened losses reported by the company. So definitely 16, and then we'll decide what we are looking at moving forward. Okay, all the way 16 we are holding. Okay, moving forward to bull, we are looking at a little bit of recovery right in this area. Volume is dropping, price has dropped. Now the volume started recovering in last two candle. Okay. So what we are looking at, this will bounce towards 1811 and then will be out of this one. And then again, retracement. Bull is something that every jump you need to exit. There is a lot of money to be made on this one, but it's not going to happen in 1 week, 2 weeks, or 2 months. Okay. Every jump you exit, every drop you buy. So kind of you follow the pattern. Okay. More of a pattern trading need to be done on the bull. Moving forward to CMG. Chipotle Mexican, we have the short put right in this area. We see what we are looking at right here. We see the candle body decay reversal, CBDR right in this area. The candle body, we have the dual directional candle. Most likely this candle will mark the bottom right in this area. Okay. Next candle will decide the direction, not this candle, next candle. Okay. Overall, we are oversold on a daily time frame, which is a perfect setup to buy. Second thing, we have a golden cross coming up under the zero line. Volume is fading right here. Volume drop, price drop. When this price drop and this volume divergence happen, the drop, the next step is recovery towards 49 to 50 area, Fibonacci retracement right in this area. If you look at, there is a gap here to fill. This gap has to be filled. This area, this gap will be filled in this big drop candle, the earning candle, the volume will be filled. So 51 is a fair target to look towards the recovery. That will also make you the first lower high point, and like this. So price goes here, retest another sell-off, possible double bottom again. Okay, this will be the neckline right in this area with the volume fill up, again drop. Moving forward to coin, as we were right here, and I was telling everyone, don't buy this one. Right now we have under $300. That's where we wanted to trade this one. So 293 Fibonacci retracement. This is the area that you can trade coin again. Okay. Where is the bottom? Bottom is found right in this area, right here, under this point. Bottom is right in this area somewhere. This volume bar right here, 206, 207. That's where the bottom is, coin. So if you are looking at bottom here, this is not the bottom. Bottom is 206. So how you trade right in this area? You trade with ITM covered call. So if you're buying the share at 297, you're selling a covered call for 285, 280 for 35 days, 45 days, like 1.5 month covered call. So you have enough hedge for the downside that you are always protected. You can buy the stock. There is no problem buying here at 296. Sell the covered call for 260 to 80 and collect the higher premium from the covered call. So even if it dropped to 206, you are in safe hand. You have nothing to lose. And call target 45 days roughly, like 19 September from now. Core view. We have successfully taken down this candle, this one. The previous fractal and the price consolidation right in this area. We have a similar, it's called direct effect, similar candle right here, similar candle right here, equal low. We have had a liquidity sweep below this candle. So what we are looking at, we are looking at recovery on core view. Right now, another dual directional candle, but looking at the RSI and the MCAT, we are looking at there will be a bounce. What will be the bounce towards the Fibonacci retracement right in this area? The previous high. There is a saying, equal low takes equal high. So what we are looking at, we are looking for this trend line breakout. First of all, once this breakout upside right in this trend line, the black line, the price will move forward and then we will make another lower high right here. So the price will come to this area, 146, 149 area, and then sell off. There will be the second sell off. This is not the reversal and a bull market in the core view. So those who are excited on the stock with and all, it doesn't matter what you say. Stock will sell off again at 146 to 149 area. You might be thinking it's going to $1,000. No, 146. I'll show you that it will be selling off right in this area. So this will be the higher high point. This is the lower high. First lower high point, another sell off. And then most likely we will see taken down this point, further low right in this area, and then third time. So there is a lot. We are overall in a downtrend, and it will stay in downtrend because it's a new IPO. And that's why I love shorting new IPOs. This is what you are looking at. So down, let me show you the pattern, how it will look like. So you are looking at this, then you are looking at this, and then you are looking at this. This is where the bottom is found. Okay, so you will see a lot of bounce. Worst case, it may not make the 4 and 5, and 3 should be the last, A, B, and C. So third point, fourth and fifth point is not guaranteed, but third point is 100%. Nothing can challenge that. 146, sell off back into this area, 70, 75 area, and then start the bull run, the next bull run. A, B, and C. After C, it will be decided whether it will go to 4 and 5 or C will be the bottom. So right now, I can say only from here to here and then here. So it will recover into 146, 149 and then drop into 80, 70 to 75 area. This area is unknown right now. Moving forward to FIG, we have our position in this one. We were analyzing the stock on a smaller time frame. So when you analyze the stock on a smaller time frame, there is a possibility of going wrong. That analysis may not work. Why it will not work? Because there is not enough data. It's a new IPO. So what we are looking at, most likely we are sitting at the bottom. We'll see a little bit of recovery. That reason that we bought it at 97 and then bought it at 82, we have an average out of 92.92, but we have collected $17 on the premium. So we are still $3 in profit. We have nothing to worry about. That we have won 100% of the covered call. The game here is we will not be closing the covered call, which is in profit right now. We'll be holding it for 100% to go worthless. Okay. Moving forward, GameStop, we are facing this. Let's go on a daily time frame. Okay, right in this area. So we are sitting on the trend line on the lower high. Okay, lower high, lower high, lower high. Third point, we are looking for a bounce on this one right in this area. We are sitting on the trend line. We had dual directional candle, which I alerted in the group yesterday, and now we have the first green candle closing on the upper side of the volume. So what means the stock is bullish. We are looking for a recovery in this area. The first recovery price target 26.24 area. Okay, 24.84 to 26 area, 200 EMA. We retest and then we break, retest and then go up. Okay, so first price target will be around 24.84 area, 24.70 area, and then we'll decide once we reach there. Moving forward to HIMS, so this sell-off was imminent. Okay, and I alerted on the stock tweet and the Discord as well. This sell-off was imminent. Why this was imminent? What was going on here? When you have a stock run before earning, you look at the volume divergence here. The volume high to the lower high. Volume was dropping, price was going up. What would follow? When the volume drop and price goes up, the next thing is the price falls. This was imminent. And when the market reached the earning on a resistance, whenever you are looking at earning, you need to know where the market has reached. Not that, oh, earning will be good, earning is fantastic, they will break the record. This is not how market works. Market works where the stock is before the earning. That's how the market will react. If the price has reached to the resistance, no matter how many retail investors are pumping HIMS, it will sell off. And that's what we are looking at. What downside, maximum downside, we are looking at $47 right here. Fibonacci retracement. Again, this lower point equal high in the equal low in this area. So there was a consolidation, again back down, consolidation, and then shoot up. Overall, I'm bullish in the long term. I have a position. I have a triple X short put. I have the share. I have a hell of things on this one. I have short call. I have long call, maybe 7-line trade right here. Okay. So what we are looking at, a little bit more retracement and then down. I was looking for a bottom around 51. On the earning, I was looking at 55.10, precise hit, then bounce towards 64, another retracement. So there is a more retracement right here before we shoot up upside. Okay. Overall bullish, nothing to panic about on this one. Moving forward to Oscar, we have the earning today. This is what I was talking about when I was talking about HIMS earning. So what we are looking at, earning is coming up today. Okay. Earning is reported. Okay. This was pre-market. So earning is reported. What we are looking at, dual directional candle right here, golden cross, oversold, volume drop, price drop. What will happen? The price will recover. Price will recover from here. Okay, so we'll see today. Most likely, I'm expecting another green candle right this side. Okay, once the market opens, then we'll decide. This current drop, which you are looking at 13.30, is all because of the earning missed. This one. Okay, but we are sitting almost close to the bottom. We have the position. We will hold our position in this one. Okay, the momentum will come, not right away, maybe a few days down the line. Okay, so moving forward to QuantumScape, we bought the position at 860. We are holding 847. So we are holding this position right here. We are looking at another lower high on this one, right in this area, like this. Okay, so this retracement, this is what we are looking at, what we were looking at FIG. Okay, so this is the kind of pattern we are looking at right here. This is the horizontal trend line right at 630 area. This trend line, which just dropped, we'll see the retracement of this one and then further sell off. Company is pre-revenue. It's a new company. It's a revolutionizing company. The best product probably in the solid state battery, but it's too early for the company. You need to understand that these kind of stock you only buy in your IRA, in your TFSA, in your 401k, in your retirement account, and all this. This is not your trading stock. You buy, you forget for 2 months. Jump comes and you are out. Okay. So we have added the position again. We bought it for the last time 457. We traded multiple times from 5 area to 7 area. And then we bought it at 457. We were out around 8. We did not hold all the way to 50. We took the exit around 8 to 9 area, 883 something. So again, we bought it at 847. Now we are holding towards 1110. Around 1110, we'll be out. And then we'll, once it come down to 630 or right in this area, right at this point, this red candle right here, which is 630 to 615, 630 area. This area will accumulate again. That will be our, I don't know, 20th trade in profits. Okay. So right now we are holding, we are waiting for 1110 out. Next buy will be 610. Tempus AI bouncing off 200 EMA. Okay, so what we are looking at, we are looking for a smaller demand like this one. This demand, there will be another smaller one right here and then another sell-off back. Equal low has failed right here. If you look at this equal similar candle to this candle right here, but it did not take down this point. So we have a needed volume. So what will happen? A little bit of recovery, another sell-off, take down both these points and then recover. So this recovery will fail on Tempus AI. This demand, it will go a little bit more up, a little bit more bullish, and then it will fail once again. If I show you, let's say this is, if you take this supply and let's say it comes here, it will go like this, something from here, and then again sell off right in this area. So right now it's bullish, 200 EMA. It has retested 200 EMA, and the next time it will break with a solid candle, like candle will go through 200 EMA completely. Then it like this is tested, bounce off. Next time this candle will be a little lower right here. The body will be up to here. It will break the 200 EMA like this one. So look at here. If I could find you something on the 200 EMA. So look at this one. So this green candle, it retested this EMA right here, but failed. Down, 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 and next candle went through, like cutting, like cutting through the butter. You know, look at this one. Straight the solid candle crossing the EMA. And that's the kind of setup we are looking at. But here we'll be looking at downside. So recovery and then drop. Moving forward to Tesla, we have a situation on the Tesla. Here, if I look at the trend line coming from the top, right in this area, the black line you are looking at, this black line, okay? We are facing a major resistance in this area. Every time price comes to this, look, 1 time sell off, 2 times sell off, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times sell off. Every time it's coming sell off, selling off here. What we are looking at, if it dropped to 246 area, that will be a lotto ticket to buy. Let me tell you that that's a millionaire ticket if this dropped to 246, 230 area and go all in this area. But right now we are facing some kind of squeeze in this area. You look at the trend line and 200 EMA. It's rejecting the 200 EMA. It's not falling below the 200 EMA. Right here it tried, failed, another failed. So it's facing a strong support at 200 EMA, but it's not breaking out the resistance. So we are kind of squeezed in this corner right here. Okay. So if we break out, it's a dual directional candle. Very difficult to say what will be the next candle. But if we have a solid green candle and retest here, like this one, if the price goes like this, then we'll have it this. Okay. If the price goes down this, we'll have another recovery, and this is then we are going to the bottom right here. So 232 around 247 is most likely the bottom, is right here, the previous high of the fractal, right? 245 in this area. 245 is the bottom, 440 is the top. This is the range of we are looking to trade. So around $60 downside, upside about $140 upside. Overall, there is nothing to panic about. Stock will be flying. Okay, this will fly because Tesla is a high beta stock. When it starts going up, it goes up within like 10 days. It goes like 50%. It's really, it moves very fast when it moves. Okay, it can stay for months sideline and just keep fluctuating at the same level, and then suddenly in 10 days you have like 50% jump on this one. That's the kind of stock Tesla is. Okay, so moving forward, MSTR we missed, I think. All right, market is about to open. Okay, let's cover on MSTR. What we are looking at, this is the pattern that I was talking about on Tesla just right now. So what happened here? We broke the trend line. So on Tesla, if you look at, we are right here on Tesla. These are the candle where Tesla is sitting right now. So what happened? Breakout, retest, breakout, retest again. Now this trend line has become a support line, which was a resistance before. Okay, support line again, price spinning. If it fail, this particular candle, if it fail downside right in this area, 358, then we are looking for a downside to 200 EMA, which is 333, 333. Okay. That's our bottom, 333, 200 EMA, and then bounce. If we hold the trend line right here, which is 358 was my original price target, 358.50, then we'll bounce towards 516 area. So the new wave 3, which I'm looking at, this is wave 1, this is wave 2, and wave 3. Wave 3, I'm looking for 358 to 516.91. So overall, 100% bullish on this one, except some impact from the Bitcoin. If the Bitcoin sell off, we will see the lower side of the MSTR. Otherwise, we are bullish. Let's look at the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is facing some sort of challenge in this area. Okay, what is going on in Bitcoin? This was the resistance right in this area. Previously we were looking at this. Okay, right in this area. So multiple times it was the distribution at the top, right in this area. Who was selling? The institution was selling, not the retail investor. Okay, institution sold right here. Galaxy sold about 800,000, 80 million worth of Bitcoin or something. And then yesterday, the current price drop, the BlackRock sold it. I'm surprised what the hell they are doing. Okay, even the BlackRock sold about 8,000 Bitcoin yesterday. Very shocking. One side, they are running the ETF of a Bitcoin. They want people to invest in their ETF, and they are keep buying the Bitcoin. On the other hand, they are selling the Bitcoin. So kind of a very unclear transaction. Why the BlackRock will sell their Bitcoin after the drop? Okay, and on the other side, they are continue accumulating the wealth in the ETF. So I couldn't understand the transaction, what's going on. But what we are looking at a little bit more downside here. Okay. There is a downside on the Bitcoin right here. The first price target will be around 107 area, which is Fibonacci right here, the previous high. If you look at this trend line, which is coming from lower to high, right in this area. So this is the channel you are looking at. This is the channel you are looking at right now for Bitcoin. This is the channel you are looking at right in this area. So we are right in the center. Very hard to say what will happen, but I have a little bit of bearish incline. Because since the price target was here, 123, 120, I have been saying it will drop, it will drop, it will drop. before it go up, the Bitcoin has to drop and drop into first price target 107, second price target 98. It's not going below 98 at all. Okay, 98 is your all-in point. Buy whatever you want to buy, the 98. Okay. Moving forward to Algorand, we have accumulated our position. We are bouncing off 200 EMA, bounce off, retest. We are looking for the wave 3 to start straight into 0.40 and 0.70. So we'll continue holding our position right here. There is a lot of upside on Algorand. Moving forward to Elda Cardona, we bought it at 0.70. We bought it at 0.70, again 200 EMA. We are again looking for the wave 3, a bounce off towards. Okay. Right now, the overall entire crypto is sell-off, but you'll see in few days down the line, the crypto will recover. No matter what, we will hold our position. We have no idea when the altcoin season will start, when the crypto will start pumping again. So that's why even if it drops a little bit, it's not to panic. We will hold our position as it is. Crypto is something that there is no hedging like stock. So you buy, you hold. When you get the solid profit, you exit. But exit is very important in crypto. Okay. Solana, we bought it at 160. We are holding our position. We'll continue holding for upside. Okay. We'll continue holding. We are looking at 206 first price target and 281 second price target. We are in loss only on our one position, which is Shiba Inu, which is a meme stock. We will leave it for a few months to years and we'll see where it goes. Okay. Because this is the kind of shit we don't know what will happen to Shiba Inu. There is no fundamental. There is no technical analysis. There is nothing on this one. It's a meme coin. Okay, so we'll continue holding this one, but we'll continue booking profit on Solana as well as ADA, Cardona. We are out of Ethereum and Bitcoin position right now, and we are not looking to add any position unless I'm holding the cash. I'll be waiting for the Bitcoin to drop into 98 area before I take the position. I rather miss the train on this one. Okay, what we are looking at, this trend line again right here, if you look at. So there is a possibility of another bounce from here. Even if I'm bullish, even if overall I'm bearish, okay, my buy zone is 98. If it doesn't come, I rather miss the train than buying at 114. Okay, what we are looking at, we are looking at this one. So there is a possibility one more bounce here. You see towards this trend line, and that will decide whether it will again fail or it will continue. So long-term bullish, short-term bearish. That's what I'm looking at. If you want me to know what will happen in 3 days, 4 days, I have a bearish outlook. What will happen in 3 months, 7 months? 139, 171, 193,000. Okay. Next June, I have already tweeted 242,000 for the 25th of June, 2020. Year end, we should close between like the Christmas 25th December. That's the area I'm looking the Bitcoin to trade anywhere from 171 to 193, in between of that range. Okay. In a range of 170 plus. Okay. So, but I'm not in the Bitcoin right now until it dropped to 90,000. I'm looking a little bit more downside. You see that the golden cross is yet to appear and we are still holding the zero line. I'm looking for this kind of golden cross below the MACD line, way below the zero line right here. And then this kind of bull run. Okay. So if there is a golden cross above the zero line, that is considered as a weak one, means not enough strength. Okay. So that's why I'm not taking the position right here. That's all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Apology for the trouble this morning with the mic. I don't know what happened. And thank you for tuning in. And I'll see the Discord member in the Discord. Market is already open. Stay tuned for tomorrow pre-market. Thanks. Bye.